If you are wondering if we have split screen available on the Xiaomi 17T Pro, then the answer is yes. You can easily use the split screen view on this phone and use two apps at the same time. So for example, if you open the first app that you wish to use in the split screen view, then you should be able to open recent or background apps. Then you can press and hold your finger on the app preview in order to find this button over here, like two rectangles. After that, you can select the second app that you want to open in the split screen view. So let's say I'm gonna open the gallery, and there we go. Now I can use two apps at the same time on my phone, and that is pretty much all. Of course, you can also just adjust the split, so you can grab by this middle button to adjust the split like this. You can also slide all the way up or all the way down to return to the full screen view. You can tap on three dots at the top of each app in order to find some additional options, like for example, you can switch sides for these apps, go to the floating window mode, or you can open in the full screen or close an app. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.